You're watching Czar Films Variety Channel. Hi guys, welcome to the video. Today we are just going to take a quick look at this really cool gadget. This is called a Boogie board, and it's really kind of neat. It's a real simple tech thing. It's basically like an Etch-a-Sketch but with a stylus, it's like think of it as a chalkboard, basically. So it's a digital chalkboard, so you can like write like a checklist, milk or eggs, you know, just whatever. And you can write it on there, and it will save it. Now, if you want to delete that, you can just push the button, and it clears it. And it's really cool. It runs on a little circular battery up on the top here, and it comes with the stylus that clips in place down here. It's really cool if you it's like 20 bucks, 20 something dollars, depending on the color. This is a really cool gift for someone who maybe needs to be more organized, or someone who has a office cubicle that might want to put it up and use it as a, you know, for a checklist or something like that. And it also has magnets, so you can you know, write a note to your significant other and put it on the refrigerator and stick it there. You can do it all kinds of things. One of the things that we found, my wife found very useful, is that she's a nurse, and she uses this to communicate with some of her desk patients. And she can write, and they can write down there, you know, pain 1 to 10 or something, and they can just write 7, and this is a way that she can communicate. So it does have some real practical uses as well. Okay, the other cool feature is, it comes, if you buy this, this is the Boogie board Jot Ewriter. There is an app called Jot. Okay, and you can download it, and basically you draw something on your board, and it can be anything from a list or to a drawing, right? And then you use the app to scan what you just drew on there. So we're going to go ahead and clear that, and we're going to go eggs, milk, bread. There's a storm coming, so this is what we need. And then you can go ahead and allow the app to have access to your camera, and then go ahead and you can take a photo of the picture of what you wrote, and then you can share it. There we go. See, so now it takes a picture. It's a little hard to see, so it takes a picture of what we wrote there, and now we can rescan it if we don't like it, or we can share it, or we can save it. So if you want to share it, you push share, and it will again send it to you. You could also just use your you know, instead of using the app, although it makes it lighter, you could also just use your camera. But that's it. It's the Boogie board. It's a really great gift for the tech person in your life who's got a cubicle, or for someone, or even just for having it at the house to leave notes, or for the kids to play with. For 20 bucks, it's really kind of a cool thing, and you can always replace the battery. So we thought it was really cool. We wanted to just give you a quick overview of the Boogie board. And again, to clear it, you push the button there, and you know, we just want to say thanks for watching, and please subscribe. And have a great day, guys. Thank you so much for watching.